Welcome to another video. We just got to the trailhead. It is snowing. We are hitting the trail. I brought some snowshoes, but I don't think I'll need them this trip. I'll see you up there. So if you have things like a fishing rod sticking out of your pack and there is a low-hanging branch, you got some trekking poles, just smack it, and it'll raise it up a little bit. A little better. This is relentless. So this is quite a bit more snow than I was anticipating for this trip. Super low visibility, can barely see too far in front. So I think what I'm gonna do is set my bag down, make some lunch, maybe fish for a little bit, and then this will probably just be a day trip because I left my snowshoes in the truck. So super smart. When in doubt, bring them. So this was supposed to be an overnight trip, but the snow has not stopped since I got here, and I was not anticipating that. I left my snowshoes in the truck. I don't think it'd be smart to set up camp and if this goes all night. So I think I'm gonna make a little lunch and then go back to the truck. I was fully prepared for it to be wet. I prepared for rain. I did not anticipate this much snow. So I'm not even gonna get all my gear out to boil some water. So we're just gonna eat real quick, eat a little snack, and then hit the road. It's my little makeshift shelter while I ate my lunch. but I think it is time to get packed up and hit the road because this snow is not letting up. So, see you back at the truck. We got pack loaded back up and we're hitting the old dusty trail. So the moral of today's story is, when in doubt, bring gear if you have it, even if you don't think you need it, like my snowshoes. And also, don't be afraid to turn around if conditions get too sketchy. So now, got some food in me, heading back to the truck. All right, we made it back. Probably a good call that I called it a day because there was no snow on the ground when I left, or when I got here. I'm gonna warm up the truck.